Hello Rackstars, I'm Diego, and in this tutorial I will show you how to set up your log expiration on your WisGate Edge V2 gateways. The log expiration feature sets the time for which the logs are saved into the gateway's memory. This will allow for better management of your SD data storage by not filling up with logs. Let's get started. First, log into the web UI of your gateway. Let's check the gateway system time. Head to User Preferences. By default, the log expiration is set to 1 month. This means that the oldest logs that can be viewed are the ones from up to a month back. You can check the saved logs in the settings, file browser, root directory, syslog folder. To change the amount of time that the logs are stored, head to Settings, General Settings. Here you can also change the buffer size. We will leave the default value of 512 KB. Now, change the expiration to 14 days for example, and click Save. On the next day, the logs that are older than 14 days will automatically be deleted from the SD card. This will prevent the SD card from getting filled up with logs. We hope that you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you want more of this, comment down below and stay tuned for more videos.